Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how we can turn on this device, how we can switch on. So at the first we have to click and hold the power button, keep holding, and after a few moments when the Honor logo pops on the screen we have to release that key, and now just wait until our smartphone switch on. Okay, and right now we are able to input our PIN code, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.